Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create halftones in Adobe Illustrator. So I'm just going to create the shape. You can obviously use any shape that you'd like to. And I'm just going to select the freeform gradient, which is this one here. Okay. There we go. I'm just gonna place it there. Okay. Effect, pixelate, color halftone. You're going to make the maximum radius 10, and then the rest of the channels 50. Press OK, and you can adjust the halftone by pressing these free-form gradients. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.